Hello viewers, welcome to BotPenguin. In today's video, we will discuss how can you create custom attributes on the BotPenguin platform. So once you sign up on the BotPenguin platform, you will land on this page. On the left hand side, you can see different options. To create a custom attribute, you have to click on the settings option right here. And here you'll find different subsections. You can create custom attributes, tags, custom status, or quick replies. To create a custom attribute, you have to click on the Add Attribute button right here. And here you'll find two options. You can select any of these. If you want to create a custom attributes to save the API responses, you can choose this option. And if you want to create the custom attributes to map chatbot responses, you can simply choose this option. Custom attribute let your chatbot store user-specific information like names, preferences, or even booking details. They allow you to personalize conversations and track users' behavior effectively. If you select to map chatbot responses, here you have to enter the attribute key, the attribute name, and you have to select the bot for which you want to map the responses. And for the Save API Responses option, you just have to enter the attribute key, the attribute name, and then you can configure the API settings in the developer section right here. If you want to learn more about the developer section, I'll give the link in the description box below. You can check it out. For now, I'll be selecting to map chatbot responses. Now, the attribute key is used by BotPenguin to store and retrieve data during the chatbot's operation. The attribute key is unique and it is often written in lowercase with no spaces. For example, if I want to create an attribute for the username or the city name, then I'll simply write city name. This should be short, precise, and technical as it is for the bot's internal functionality. Then we have the attribute name, which is a user-friendly label for the attribute. It's what you see in the chatbot's interface, and you have to assign this name when you are assigning any attribute to any chat. So for the demo purpose, I'm simply entering user's city name. It can include spaces and capitalization as it is primarily for human readability. And then you have to select the bot for which you want to create this attribute. For the demo purpose, I am selecting this bot. And if your bot has multiple flows, then you have to select the flow as well. And then you have to select the question for which you want to map this chatbot responses. For example, if in this flow I have created a question which is asking the user what is your city name, then I can map this attribute to that question and the data will be saved in this attribute. So now just for saving, I am using this random question and then you have to click on the Add Attribute button and you will be done. So this is how you can create an attribute. If you want to learn how you can assign the attribute, the video link will be given in the description box below. You can check it out. If you have any doubts, you can refer to the help documentation of the BotPenguin. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.